Alright, so here we are 24 hours later, and as you can see, the gasket is complete. So if you look over here, you see it's completely molded to the shape of the grill, all the way down till it meets this black gasket. If you look on the sides, you can see the thickness there. So for that thickness, there was a gap all the way down this lid. So as smoke would be coming out of the smoker, you would be losing smoke out through here all the way up. Well, to at least about right here to here, smoke would be coming out. So as you're looking at it, instead of smoke just coming out of the chimney here, you were getting smoke out of your lid here. You were getting smoke out of your lid here. You were getting smoke out of your lid down here and over here, all the way up, because you didn't have this gasket. So as you look here now, we created almost like a, like a smoke barrier for the inside. So now when smoke comes up from here, it can't get out over here. It can't get out down here, over here, or up here. So now all that does is keeps that smoke down here on your meat and then out the chimney. And that's what you want, because these grills are notorious for not giving you a very smoky flavor in your meat. That's why generally when I want a really smoky flavor in my meat, I use this guy, which is my Smoke Hollow, my wood smoker, because this thing down here gives you a ton of smoke flavor, where these guys over here don't give you that much. So because of that, you got to do whatever you can to get them to, produce as much smoke as possible. And so that's why you put this on here, because by putting this, you are increasing the smoke that makes it down to your meat. So I'm about to fire this thing up in probably about the next hour or two, and I'll bring you along and let you see how it goes. Stay tuned. zGrills 1000D gasket install right there. Okay, she set the high now. And look here, I got smoke coming out of my chimney. No smoke coming out of my sides, none. Got a little bit coming out down here out of the bottom. I don't know where in the world it's coming from, out of there. But nothing coming out of my doors. Nothing coming out of this side. Nothing there. I got some out of there, and I got some out of here, just the drip area. But I have none coming out of my sides, which means the gasket is holding up pretty good. Look at that. No smoke leak. Chimney's billowing smoke. That chimney's billowing it. Out of here, nothing. Down the bottom, I got some, which, like I said, I don't know what the world's coming from down there. But we're good over here on the sides as well. So far, so good. Gasket's holding up great, which is nice. Look at that. So she set the high right now. I'm gonna let her run on high for 45 minutes. Look, I got a good smoke coming out of her. Typically when you start it, it's about the highest amount of smoke you get out of it. And I'm not getting any smoke out of my sides where my gasket is. Beautiful, beautiful. Gasket's holding up. There we go, guys. zGrills 1000D. One of the odd things I've found about this grill, if you look there, see all the smoke I'm losing about halfway down in this thing? About halfway down, a lot of smoke is coming out of the bottom of it. And it appears to me where that smoke is coming from, if you see that handle right there in the middle, That's the new design that they have, to where you can get the ashes out without having to always use a shop vac. So it's not completely sealed, because that tray right there over top or underneath where that smoke is coming out is where you pull out to clean the ashes. But as you can see, what's happening is you're losing a lot of smoke out of the bottom now, which you wouldn't have on the previous model grills, because it would have gone out the top. So because you got that removable tray down there in the bottom, you're losing smoke. FYI for all you new owners of this grill. This is the 1000D model I just picked up from zGrills. Stay tuned.